Marvel's film, Ant-Man and the Wasp, includes intense action and futuristic technology, but is it actually based on scientific fact? My name is Sarah Reynolds, and I went in search for the truth. The best place to start is by definition. What is quantum entanglement? Well, quantum stands for the word quanta, which is small packets of energy and particles. The word entanglement comes from Erwin Schrödinger. In its original German, it stands for a carefully woven tapestry. Now, how the quantum entanglement works is that two particles have a strong connection. And when changes in one occurs, the information automatically reflects in the other. No matter the distance, this change is still instantaneous. Kind of crazy. And even Einstein thought this was spooky because it defied the special theory of relativity and the principle of locality. Later on, John Bell proved with thought experiments that quantum entanglement existed. And even later after that, Lane Aspect, a physicist, proved the existence of quantum entanglement with actual experiments. But how does it actually work? Well, the best way to understand this is by an example. Say I had two shoes. Put them in identical boxes and switch them up until I no longer knew which box it belonged to. And say I sent one to the Avengers in New York and the other to T'Challa in Wakanda. Now, say T'Challa opened his and saw that he had the left shoe. Well, he would automatically know that the Avengers in New York would have the right shoe, even though he didn't look into their box. Which demonstrates the example and the principle of quantum entanglement, how this information exchange is automatic. However, in real life, it's a little more complicated than that, because you have to consider the quantum theory, which is that a particle is undetermined until measured. Say, for example, a particle can be either positive or negative. Well, it has a 50-50 chance of being either positive or negative. And when it's connected to another particle, when you measure one and it turns out to be positive, the other one automatically assumes a negative nature without communicating or talking to the other particle. But even though Marvel does not accurately describe and represent quantum entanglement, it has inspired me to continue research and actually find out what it really is. Thank you for your time.